Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, this is 25th lesson of your Iqra Applied Grammar 2 for class 7. Dear students, yesterday we started unit number 7, conditional sentences, and you were assigned to do the exercise A of practice exercise A. This was your homework. Now this is the time to give you feedback. The students, practice exercise A, match the parts of each sentence. Sentence number 1, if they do not do study, they will fail in the test. Sentence 2, if you invite me, I will come to the party. If it does not rain, the match will start on time. Sentence number 4, if I wake up late, I will miss the bus. Sentence number 5, if she finds your email, she will send you the notes. Sentence number 6, if we meet on Sunday, we will go to the park. This was a solution of practice exercise A. Dear students, now you will do exercise B, practice exercise B. Complete the sentences with the phrases given in the box. The first is buy jewelry, get full marks, send an invitation, sell the car, receive punishment, go swimming. The students, there have been given pictures for your assistance. Now you will complete the exercise with the help of these phrases and these pictures. First sentence has been done for your convenience. If I find her address, I will send an invitation to her. The students, now you will do the remaining sentences, complete the remaining sentences with the help of the given phrases and the pictures, and I give you the feedback after a while. Now do complete the exercise and then pause the video. After solving the sentences, you will watch the video again and have the feedback. The students, I have solved the exercise for your help. Sentence number 1 was already done, and this is sentence number 2. If they do not have money, they will sell the car. Sentence number 3, if you write the answer, you will get full marks. If it is hot today, I will go for swimming. Sentence number 5, if she goes to the market, she will buy jewelry. She will buy jewelry. Sentence number 6, if he commits a crime, he will receive punishment. Dear students, now this is the time to give you homework. Dear students, this is extended practice. There are 8 sentences in the exercise. You will complete this extended practice at home, and the feedback will be given tomorrow, inshallah. I read the sentences for your help. Complete the sentences by adding an appropriate result clause. Dear students, condition has been given and you will add an appropriate result clause here in this line. If I sleep in time. Sentence 2, if we win the toss. Sentence 3, if she feels sick. Sentence 4, if it is not rainy outside. Sentence 5, if he does not finish his homework in time. Sentence number 6, if they visit a zoo. Sentence number 7, if I get tired. Sentence number 8, if Ali speaks the truth. There are 8 incomplete sentences. You will add a result clause after this condition. Okay students, this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. We will meet tomorrow inshallah with next lesson. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.